Hi students, today I'm going to explain to you briefly on what you're supposed to do for your reflective report. As you know, your reflective report is part of your integrated assignment and therefore it has to do with your central market visit. Please take note of the deadline, which is on the 24th of June, Wednesday. This applies to all your other integrated assignments. The word limit 800 words plus minus 10% and the percentage, which is 10% of your coursework marks. Now you should also focus on the assignment requirements. Now as you can see, it is stated clearly here, central market, and also it has to do with the SMIs and SMEs. Now the three main things which you are supposed to include in your reflective report will be the learning experience from this integrated project. Now this could be about the overall integrated project on SMI and SMEs, or it could also be only on the visit to central market. B, you should also include the TGCs that you can tie in with the learning experience. Select 3 TGCs and explain how you managed to obtain these 3 TGCs from this activity. And C, you should also include learning experience which you can apply in your life in the near future. What are TGCs? TGCs are basically Taylor's Graduate Capabilities. You can actually find this in your MIB. Alright? There are 8 Taylor's Graduate Capabilities, starting from discipline-specific knowledge, lifelong learning, thinking and problem-solving skills, communication skills, up to digital literacy. And as you can see, some of the TGCs are broken down into sub-parts. Okay, these sub-points also come under the particular TGC. Now you may choose 3 of it and explain it in your reflective report. Where can you find this? You can find it in your MIB. Alright, your TGC is in your MIB. Now besides that, you should also focus on the format of your reflective report. It should be in paragraphs. Okay, read through this clearly. Now your reflective report is actually written in an e-portfolio. Okay, you can see this point, e-portfolio. What is an e-portfolio? Your e-portfolio is just like your website. Okay, it's just like this. This is one example of an e-portfolio. Okay, now in your e-portfolio, if you like to include a page about yourself, you can. If not, you can straight away have just one page on English, okay, to explain and for you to write details on your reflective report. Make sure you highlight the 3 points which I have mentioned just now, A, B, and C, okay, as well as the TGC. You can include pictures if you want to. And when you submit, you'll be submitting this link, okay, so that your tutor or your lecturer will be able to view the link, your e-portfolio. Okay, with regards to your reflective report, you may also want to look at the slides on reflective writing. You may not be able to remember this, but these slides, this PowerPoint slide is actually posted in Times in week 3, reflective writing. Okay, so you may want to look at that in order to get more ideas on what you should write for your reflective report. And these are some of the things you can actually use. Okay, you can give descriptions, you can talk about your feelings, evaluation of the whole integrated project or the trip itself, analysis, conclusion, as well as action plan. Have a look at these slides again and see how you can tie in with your reflective report, and you can tie in with these 3 main points, A, B, and C. Alright, so make sure you submit on time. The link will be up soon. Okay, look out for it in Times And if you have any questions, do ask your tutor or your lecturer. All the best everyone, and enjoy writing your reflective report.